Hello everyone. So we will install WordPress in cPanel. Yeah. Firstly, you have to buy the hosting. You have to buy the cPanel and you have to buy the domain name. After you point the domain name to the hosting to your cPanel already, you have to download WordPress, and then I will show you. Yes. So I will go to in here. I will show you how to download the WordPress. You go to the website wordpress.org and click on get the WordPress and then click on download. After click on download, it will come in here. I have download already, so link I will paste this link in the description. Now I log into my WordPress, my username and password, and I click on login. To install the WordPress, I click on File Manager and click on Public HTML. Double click it. Click on upload. I'll upload my WordPress that I have downloaded already. Yeah, select file. So this is my WordPress. I download already in my computer and open. And just a moment, please. It is uploading. Okay, so WordPress is uploaded already 100%. And we go in here and click on reload. You will see the WordPress.zip is come up. And now we extract the WordPress, and you click on it and right click and you click on extract. Yeah. Extract and click on extract file. We extract to public and HTML. Yeah. Extract file. Okay, click on close. In here you see now the WordPress is extract already, and double click. Yes, double click and select it all. Select all. Remove it. Yes, remove it to remove back. So after select and click on move, and I delete this. I will move to public and HTML folder. Yeah. And click on move file and click on up one level. This is now my WordPress is extract and move to the folder already. So I will delete here. Yes, you see instruction. Right click, move. After move, delete the zip file. Yeah, I delete the zip file because we extract already. Yes, we don't keep it. I will delete. I select on it, click on delete and confirm. And this is not necessary also. I delete it too and select and delete, confirm. So we create the database. After we upload the WordPress, we extract and we move to the public and HTML folder, and then we create the database. Go to my cPanel and go to my MySQL. Yes, my MySQL database. Just click on it. Yeah. And in here I will name my database. Yes, like yes, the same to my domain name. Yeah. And I create the database. So this is my database name. I select it and copy, and my database. I paste my database name in here. Yes, this is my database name. And go back. Click on go back. After click on go back, I go to my user. This is my user and the password. So I can generate the password. Yeah, I will generate the password. This is my password. I copy, Control-C, and I paste in here. So Control-V, and this is, and I copy the password. Yes, copy my password and go to paste in here. This is the password that we generate, and then click on create user. Okay, and here this is my username. Control-C and Control-V here. Yeah. And go back, and we go to add. Yes, click on add, and I will select all privilege to the user. Yes, to my user. I select all and I click on make change, and I will go to my WordPress. Yes, this is my domain name and /wp admin. This is the first time that we set up the WordPress, and I select the language is English. Click on continue and click on let's go. Database name I have already. This is my database name. Control C and I paste. And username, yes, here this is my username. Control C and Control V. Password, yeah, this is my password. Control C and Control V. And in here you see, if you want to run multiple WordPress installation in a single database, change this. So I will change to like this, and then I click on submit, and I don't save. Yes, I don't save it. Can save, yeah, can update, but no, I will change the password later, and so I don't save. And click on run installation. Okay, so here this is the site and title. So my website is talk about knowledge and entertainment. Username, I will use this username, and this is the password for log into my WordPress. Yes, so I say WordPress username. I say WordPress and username. No, this is the password. Yeah, this is the username. Username in here. Yeah, see my username, and this is my pwd. This is my password here. And after you can put your email. This is my email, yeah. And then click on install. Yeah, click on install. Okay, I don't say the password, and click on login. So after login, you use the user and password to log in. This is my user and password. This is my password. Control C and Control V. You can click on remember me, yeah, and click on login. You can install plugin or some plugin or sim, yeah, to make your WordPress is nice. And in here I can visit the site. You see the site, you can see that, and go back to dashboard and left post testing. Yes, I will testing to post one post, like I can say welcome everyone, and publish. Click on publish, and you can click on view post. You see in here, this is my domain name, and this is the testing post. So in the video I will install theme. Yes, install theme in this WordPress. And please help to like and subscribe for more video update. Thank you.